Iracroft have been leading tubular solutions since 1972, and we are specialists in tube manipulation and the premier supplier of a comprehensive range of metal tube fabricated products and assemblies. Originally formed to fabricate and deliver specialist hydraulic tube assemblies, we now produce tubular products for a variety of diverse applications, including gas abatement systems, generators and power transmissions. We also produce structural tube products for purposes including handrails, ladders and the like. These serve a diverse range of industry sectors, from agriculture to construction, mining to race carts, oil, gas and subsea to high-performance automotive. Based in Dorset, we have two main sites. The 37,500 square foot Blandford site processes up to 60 tonnes of steel tubing a week, using the largest fleet of high-tech bending machines in the UK, to produce up to 1.5 million products a year, and that's 3,500 live part numbers. The 26,500 square foot Poole facility houses the largest capacity of zinc electroplating lines in the UK, where we can supply trivalent and hexavalent plating services on products up to 4.8 metres in length. Iracroft, we're leading tubular solutions.